أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Ramadan daily dua Allahumma adkhil ala ahlil quburis surur. In Al-Misbah and in Al-Balad Al-Amin, Shaykh Al-Kafimi as well as Shaykh Al-Shahid in Al-Majmu'ah have narrated that the Holy Prophet ﷺ said that one who says the following supplication after each obligatory prayer in Ramadan will have all his sins forgiven up to the resurrection day. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. O Allah, send your blessings on Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the family of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in our next videos. Have a good day.